Welcome back to Speed Society. Today, we're talking about one of the most versatile and rider-friendly cruisers on the market, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Known for its unique blend of comfort, customization, and sporty performance, the Vulcan S has carved out a special place among modern cruisers. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience designed to adapt to its rider. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the world of cruisers or an experienced rider looking for something refined yet thrilling, the 2026 Vulcan S is built to impress. Kawasaki has redefined what a mid-size cruiser can be by mixing classic styling with modern engineering, and this latest model pushes that philosophy even further. The legacy of the Vulcan S. The Vulcan S first made waves when it was introduced for riders who wanted the comfort of a cruiser but didn't want to sacrifice the agility and performance of a sport bike. Over the years, it's become known for its approachable nature, ergonomic design, and exceptional handling. The 2026 model continues that tradition but brings more refinement, technology, and a refreshed look. Kawasaki's ERGO-FIT system, which allows the bike to adjust to riders of all sizes, remains at its core, but everything around it has been enhanced. The Vulcan S has always been the cruiser for everyone, and in 2026, it's more versatile and capable than ever. Design and aesthetic. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S retains its signature modern cruiser design but now comes with sharper lines and upgraded finishes. The new model features a more sculpted fuel tank, sleeker LED headlight, and redesigned rear section for a cleaner, sportier appearance. Kawasaki has also introduced new color options like emerald black, steel gray metallic, and deep bronze matte, giving the bike an upscale, premium feel. The minimalistic fenders and matte black exhaust system complement its muscular stance, while the low-slung seat and teardrop tank keep the classic cruiser essence alive. It's a bike that manages to look aggressive without being intimidating, a balance that only the Vulcan S can pull off. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Vulcan S lies Kawasaki's tried and true 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the Ninja 650, but tuned specifically for cruiser duty. This engine is smooth, responsive, and perfectly balanced, delivering around 62 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. The power comes on in a predictable and linear way, making it ideal for new riders while still exciting enough for seasoned ones. The 6-speed transmission is slick and precise, while the assist and slipper clutch reduces effort at the lever and smoothens downshifts. The engine's punchy mid-range makes city riding effortless and highway cruising a joy. Whether you're commuting or hitting open roads, the Vulcan S feels lively, confident, and easy to control. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the 2026 Vulcan S with a range of new technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike now features a fully digital TFT display, providing crisp visibility and Bluetooth connectivity through the Kawasaki Radiology app. Riders can access real-time data such as fuel range, ride time, and maintenance updates right from their smartphones. The 2026 model also includes ride-by-wire throttle control, selectable ride modes, and traction control, making it safer and more adaptable than ever before. LED lighting all around not only improves visibility but adds a modern edge to its look. While the Vulcan S stays true to its minimalist roots, these upgrades give it a cutting-edge feel without losing its approachable character. Handling and comfort. The Vulcan S has always been praised for its confidence-inspiring handling, and the 2026 version takes it up a notch. The lightweight diamond frame combined with a low center of gravity gives it impressive stability and maneuverability. The 41mm front fork and adjustable rear shock provide a smooth ride, soaking up bumps while maintaining excellent control. The ERGO-FIT customization system remains one of its best features, allowing riders to adjust the seat, handlebar, and foot peg positions to perfectly suit their body type. Whether you're 5 feet 4 inches or 6 feet 2 inches, the Vulcan S feels tailor-made for you. The low 27.8-inch seat height ensures flat-foot confidence at stops, and the overall ergonomics make long rides comfortable and fatigue-free. Riding experience. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S delivers an incredibly balanced riding experience. It feels sporty when you want to push it and relaxed when you just want to cruise. The throttle response is smooth, the gearbox shifts cleanly, and the brakes, featuring dual-piston calipers with ABS, inspire complete confidence. On city streets, it feels nimble and easy to handle. On the highway, it's stable and composed. The engine hums with a satisfying tone, especially with the updated exhaust tuning that gives it a deeper, more muscular sound. For solo riders or those who love weekend getaways, the Vulcan S offers a mix of practicality and excitement that's hard to match. Upgrades for 2026. Kawasaki has introduced several upgrades to make the 2026 Vulcan S even better. The chassis has been slightly reinforced for improved rigidity, and the suspension has been retuned for enhanced comfort. The addition of traction control and multiple ride modes makes it more beginner-friendly without taking away the thrill for experienced riders. A new seat design offers better support. Who is this for? The 2026 Vulcan S is designed for riders who want a cruiser that's as approachable as it is exciting. It's perfect for those new to motorcycling who want a comfortable, confidence-building machine, but it also appeals to experienced riders who appreciate refined engineering and customizable ergonomics. Its sporty DNA and cruiser comfort make it ideal for urban commuting, long weekend rides, and everything in between. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is expected to hit showrooms in early 2026, with prices starting around $8,499. Kawasaki will offer a range of accessories, including touring seats, saddlebags, and windshields, so riders can personalize the bike to their liking. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S continues to be one of the most accessible and well-balanced cruisers on the market. It combines the heart of a sport bike with the soul of a cruiser, creating a machine that's both thrilling and comfortable. Kawasaki has refined its design, upgraded its technology, and made it more adaptable than ever. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring open highways, the Vulcan S offers an experience that feels effortless, personal, and endlessly enjoyable. This is the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S, stylish, smooth, and built for every rider.